today's video, we will discuss universal fit floor mats, and custom fit floor mats, and which one is best for you.
If you haven't joined our Elite Club yet, you can scan our QR code to become a member here by scanning it on your camera app and entering some basic information about your vehicle.
We know the functions of a qualified floor mat, but when buying one, which one should you pick? There's two types of floor mats, the universal fit or the custom fit. First, let's talk about the universal fit, or the general type. The universal floor mat is one of the longest seen and oldest in the market. Common materials are rubber, PVC, nylon, and mixed TPE. They both have advantages and disadvantages. Let's take a look at the advantages first. It's cheap. You can easily buy it online or at your corner store for $25 to $35. General. You don't have to worry much about whether this type of floor mat will work for your car, since it's been redesigned with minimum coverage, as in just covering the bottom of your shoe, so it will work for most cars and truck models. Because of their small size and lightweight, most of these pads are very easy to install, remove, and clean. Let's look at the disadvantages. Because the product is designed with the universal type in mind, it needs to be suitable for most models in the market, so the general type of floor mats can only cover the small area under the feet of the drivers and passengers. Poor protection of functionality. Since these floor mats don't have the ability to collect and store liquids, when your shoe brings in snow, water into the car, most of these liquids will wet the original carpet floor and seep into the insulation and damage your car floor. Not healthy. In order to reduce costs and technical limitations, most common floor mats use old technology and outdated materials. In the production and use of these materials, there are a large number of substances that can be harmful for the human health, such as BPA, latex, PVC, lead, dioxins, and other notorious offenders. Potential safety hazards. General purpose floor mats can't be used on many models with the original carpet fixators, so they can easily slip when driving, posing a safety hazard to your driving, which could render your ability to either press on the brake or press on the gas in certain situations. The custom fit floor mats. With the maturity of technology such as 3D scanning technology in recent years, the invention of new environment-friendly materials and the improvement of production technology is what gets us ahead from the competition. Custom floor mats are specifically designed for each model of car, its contours and fixtures. The floor mats are also consistent with the adapted model, as in if a new car were to come in, it would have that model 3D scanned and ready to go. Common materials for custom floor mats are TPE, mixed TPE, and reconstituted rubber. Advantages of customized models. Good protection of the original carpet. Custom floor mats cover most of the car's original carpet, as opposed to the generic ones. Most common floor mats are waterproof and stain resistant for a long periods of time. Few safety hazards. A qualified custom floor pad will completely fit the ground of the cab and make good use of the original foot pattern holding, so custom floor mats are much less likely to affect a person's driving and cause any safety hazards. Extensive use environment. Due to the use of the variety of new materials, you can pick a floor mat accordingly to your needs, such as luxury beauty, engineering cars, outdoor activities, and so on. Healthier. Most custom floor mats use materials that are superior to the general purpose floor mats due to the manufacturing process requirements and price. Of course, the high price is a disadvantage of the custom floor mats. Custom floor mats typically cost between $120 and $300. So when you're ready to buy a custom floor mat, it is important to choose the right one for you, because you don't want to be disappointed after you paid a few $100s. So after watching this video, which one will you be choosing? Comment below.
Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button to be the first to be notified of when our video drops. Also, check our website and follow us on our social media. From Lasfit, goodbye.